Okay, here we have a J&P spinner. I got this from Nate. It originally came from Brian, but I digress. Figured I'd hang it up to test it out. It's kind of cool looking actually, I like it. It's kind of a pain to mount the blades though. It's a top mount spinner. Unlike most 90s spinners, it's top mount. I got this globe on there. The light works. I like the blades on it. Let's start off on high. Does have pretty bad bearings though. Tiny bit of a wobble. Does move decent air though. Hear them bearings screeching away. Not a bad fan. I quite like it actually. We'll go to medium. It's got heavy wood blades on it for a spinner like this. I was expecting more of cheaper blades than that, but whatever. Bearings are horrible in it though. Just blow decent air on medium. I'll go low. That's a really slow low. We'll turn it off. Yeah, the mounting on this is not very code right, but it works for the testing anyway. There is reverse on high. Medium on high. Or reverse. Not medium on high, that makes no sense. Definitely an interesting fan. I don't think I'm going to keep it up. I kind of wanted to, but it's too loud. Doesn't perform that great. High speed ain't bad, but all the others are kind of eh. But it's a cool looking fan. I give it that much. Turn it off. Coast down probably won't be long on it. I mean, if I would have seen something like this growing up, I would have been like, that's pretty cool looking. Because I'd never seen anything like it. Which is why I grabbed it. Because I thought it was neat looking. Too bad it doesn't perform that well. I like the Saturn lines on the blades. Not sure if that globe really fits the fan, but I like it on there. But anyway, there's the J&P spinner. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.